Lesson: Convolutional Neural Networks for Image Processing. Convolutional neural networks have become pivotal in image processing, transforming how machines interpret visual data with a precision that closely mimics human vision. At the heart of this technological innovation is the ability to automatically and adaptively learn spatial hierarchies of features from images. This capability is largely attributed to the unique architecture of CNNs, which includes convolutional layers, pooling layers, and fully connected layers, each playing a crucial role in enhancing image processing tasks such as classification, segmentation, and object detection. CNNs have effectively addressed one of the fundamental challenges in image processing, the curse of dimensionality. Traditional machine learning models struggled with the vast amount of data contained in images, but CNNs leverage their architecture to manage this complexity efficiently. The convolutional layers use filters to scan the input image, capturing essential features such as edges, textures, and patterns, which are then used for further processing. These layers act as feature detectors, automatically adjusting during training to capture the most relevant aspects of the input images, significantly reducing the dimensionality without losing critical information. Pooling layers follow, typically employing max pooling or average pooling methods to downsample the feature maps generated by the convolutional layers. This process not only reduces the computational load, but also enhances the model's ability to recognize objects in various positions within the image. The pooling operation maintains the most prominent features, ensuring that the CNN remains invariant to small translations of the input image, thereby improving the model's robustness and generalization capabilities. In practical applications, CNNs have been implemented using various frameworks that simplify the development process and deployment of deep learning models. TensorFlow and PyTorch are two of the most popular frameworks due to their extensive libraries and user-friendly interfaces. TensorFlow, developed by Google Brain, provides a comprehensive ecosystem for machine learning models, offering tools for model building, training, and deployment. PyTorch, on the other hand, is renowned for its dynamic computation graph, making it highly flexible for research and development. Both frameworks support GPU acceleration, significantly reducing training time for large datasets. A step-by-step application of CNNs in image classification begins with data preprocessing, which is a crucial step to ensure the quality of input data. This involves resizing images to a uniform dimension, normalizing pixel values, and augmenting data through transformations such as rotation, flipping, and scaling to artificially expand the dataset and improve model generalization. Once the data is preprocessed, a CNN architecture is defined using a framework like TensorFlow or PyTorch. The architecture typically consists of multiple convolutional and pooling layers, followed by one or more fully connected layers that output class probabilities. Training the CNN involves feeding the input data through the network, computing the loss using a suitable loss function, such as cross-entropy for classification tasks, and updating the model parameters using an optimizer like stochastic gradient descent or ATOM. The choice of hyperparameters, including learning rate, batch size, and number of epochs, plays a critical role in the training process, affecting the model's convergence and performance. To illustrate the real-world impact of CNNs, consider their application in medical image analysis. CNNs have achieved remarkable success in diagnosing diseases from medical images, such as detecting tumors in MRI scans or identifying diabetic retinopathy from retinal images. A study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association demonstrated that a CNN could achieve diagnostic accuracy comparable to ophthalmologists in detecting diabetic retinopathy, emphasizing the potential of CNNs in augmenting clinical decision-making. Another compelling application is in autonomous vehicles, where CNNs are integral to object detection and scene understanding. Companies like Tesla and Waymo utilize CNNs to process data from cameras mounted on vehicles, enabling real-time identification of pedestrians, traffic lights, and road signs. This capability is crucial for the safe and efficient operation of autonomous vehicles, highlighting the transformative role of CNNs in modern transportation. The effectiveness of CNNs in image processing is further amplified by transfer learning, a technique where a pre-trained model on a large dataset is fine-tuned for a specific task with a smaller dataset. This approach significantly reduces the time and resources required to train a model from scratch while often achieving superior performance. Transfer learning is particularly beneficial when dealing with limited data, as it leverages the knowledge captured in models trained on extensive datasets like ImageNet. Despite their success, CNNs are not without challenges. One of the primary concerns is the interpretability of these models, often described as black boxes due to their complex inner workings. Researchers are actively exploring methods to enhance the interpretability of CNNs, such as visualization techniques that highlight the regions of the input image influencing the model's predictions. Techniques like GradCam provide insights into the model's decision-making process, fostering trust and transparency in critical applications. Another challenge is the computational demand associated with training deep CNNs, which can be prohibitive without access to high-performance computing resources. However, advancements in hardware, particularly the development of specialized AI accelerators like Google's tensor processing units, are addressing this issue by offering significant speedups in training and inference times. In conclusion, convolutional neural networks have fundamentally transformed image processing, offering unprecedented capabilities in feature extraction and pattern recognition. Through practical tools and frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch, professionals can harness the power of CNNs to address real-world challenges, from medical diagnostics to autonomous driving. As the field evolves, continued research in enhancing model interpretability and efficiency will pave the way for even broader applications, solidifying CNNs as a cornerstone of modern artificial intelligence.